You're going to start to try to catch up with you guys.
So what's this guy missing? X plus 7. He's missing just an X. So now they both have this bottom. What do we get up here? 4 squared. Yeah, so plus 28 minus 1, so plus 27x. Minus 7. Okay, I'm not going to dwell on that. You know how to FOIL things. And over here I get? Yeah, that's nice. So now I get my like terms together. 5x squared plus 27x minus 7. And then to check this real quick if it'll reduce, how would I factor the top? I would need factors of that had to be 27. Ain't gonna happen. The only way to do 35 is 5 times 7. That ain't making 27. Or 35 and 1. That ain't making 27. You guys see what I'm saying? So it should be semi-quick to tell a prime if it's prime. So what does that mean? I'm done. Can't even factor the top, so how could anything possibly cancel? Is that okay? Is that cool? Some guys are just looking at like, I'm not asking you anything, sorry. Keep going. So this guy, you see that minus, you know ahead of time to be careful. The other thing is that can't be factored, so he probably is just missing one thing. What does this guy factor like? Yeah, so he's missing a x minus 2. So now they both have the same bottom. And I would do this. This is probably the best, most direct way to take care of this. Because now you can see the negative x is what to distribute. Right? So over here I get 3x plus 2. Negative x times x. And negative x times negative 2. I like it. So on the top I get negative x squared plus 5x plus 2 all over x minus 2, x minus 9. This ain't got a chance in hell, right? Factors of 2, there's a negative there, but it almost doesn't. Factors of 2 to make 5, no. 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 Is that all right? Okay. Read you guys. All right, so last problem for the day. Let us out here a little bit. What time is it? I don't even know. Are you sure how early I'm going to let you guys out? 11:50? All right. 52? Yeah, that 2 in there, so it doesn't sound as early as it is. So what's really cool about the process we just used, by the way, let me make this official. 7, 5, I'm going to make it extra credit. I will talk about it a little bit, but 7, 6 makes immediate sense off of what we just did. So let me show you an example. Here's an old problem that we should be able to do already. I know, I write that down so you're like, what? But we should be able to do this already. Do you guys remember what we did here? If we make all the bottoms the same, you kill them all in one fell swoop. Right? So how do I make all the bottoms the same? I make everybody 15. Why is it easy to see that? Because I can already see the pieces. They're just numbers, so I can see the pieces better. So what's going to happen is it's basically going to turn over for us in this chapter, and I got to have variable expressions. So here I would give this guy 5, give this guy 3. You don't need shit. So then I get 5x over 15 plus 6 over 15 equals x minus 1 over 15. And then I can multiply by 15 on both sides. Bam, bam, bam. So then you get 5x plus 6, and that's nice, right? You get x equals negative 7/4, so you do all the work. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Either trust me or do it. You'll get there. All right, now, so what's it going to look like now? This is why I like really honing in on this method. Is it's the exact same method I could use for these. Because again, do you see what we did there? We saw what they were missing and we gave it to them. So it's the exact same idea we just did. There's just a little more work because now it sits inside of an equation. I can do more with it. So this would be something like what, Jeff? I don't know, man. Leave me alone. Oh, let's do. He's talking to himself. Oh shit.
You see the movie Split?
Oh God. And Glass. Have you seen Glass?
Not yet. No.
Not yet? Okay. All right. I won't tell you. It's just the ending was just like, what the? Okay, so I do the exact same thing. What piece can I work with? First one. So I break this guy up into what? I got to keep track of my good blue. Here's my good blue. Well, I'm done with it. Okay, next. And now, who's missing what? Yeah, this guy is missing x plus 1. I really hope some of you guys are realizing this is almost too nice to believe. Just okay, he's missing it. What do you give it to him? All right. I mean, that's a beautiful idea. Why is it legal? Because I'm doing it to top and bottom. So this guy's missing a. That's right, kids. X minus 1. And right now, just to eliminate some writing, how do I kill the bottoms?
Times it all over.
Yeah, times everything by x plus 1, x minus 1, right? If I multiply everybody by this on both sides, y'all cancel. Now, before I get too far away, what values can x not take on? It can take 0, fine. 1 or negative 1. So if I get those as answers, I throw them out. Any answer that makes the equation freak out has to go the shit away. And some of you guys might, a really good way to feel about it, or an expected way to feel is, what the shit, I do all this work and math gives me bogus answers, right? But what are we doing, right? If math says this, what did I actually do here? If x is negative 1, what is this? 0. I multiplied both sides by 0. I just didn't know it until I got to here. So this is the only way math can go, whoa, dude, whoa. You made, oh shit. The only way this could work is something that isn't allowed. So there would have been no solution if I got this at the end. Because it makes the equation freak out, right? Maybe. You guys kind of with me? So the reason that shows up is because I did something that was illegal. I just didn't know it until that showed up. All right, maybe. So, what do I have left alive? X plus 3x plus 3 equals 2x minus 2. Isn't that? Oh, look at that shit. It so immediately became nice, right? And so now just 4x subtract 2x. Let me see. You guys, that's 4x. Subtract 2x is 2x. Subtract 3 is negative 5. So I get x is negative 5 halves. Is that allowed? Or are the only ones not allowed? And that's not neither one of those. That's allowed. Now, I don't know if that works, but at least it doesn't make it undefined. Right? Okay. I like it. That I can learn that. All right, that's it. we've gotten a little bit further than I thought we would, so that's I feel fine giving you guys and me an early break. So